Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a verify account on the application of Gemini. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Gemini app and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store, you will search about Gemini app. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.